Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily set the default browser on macOS, especially after the macOS Big Sur update. So the Big Sur update is here, and if you want to update from macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, then refer the link in the description of this video. Now let us see how we can set the default browser. Right now we have installed Chrome as well as Safari. Safari comes pre-installed with Mac. So to set the default browser, click on the Apple sign. Herein click on System Preferences. Now guys, click on Journal. Now on clicking Journal, you can see the default web browser section is visible. Here it is set to Chrome. You can change any one. If you want to set it to Safari, you can just select this here and click on Close. That's it. So all the browsers on your system, installed on your system, will be visible here. So we have two, as I have told you before. So both of them are visible here, Safari and Chrome. So I have set it to Safari. Now I'll click on Close. That's it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily check and set the default web browser on macOS Big Sur. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.